bringing together lots of different components in the drug development discovery arena around a particular area, such as NASH, has great benefits.
One, of course, is to first educate the audience on the current state of drug development and development of the solutions. Also to bring together companies that might end up in collaborative relationships.
I think the key thing is really making the right networks and contacts. We are all trying to solve the same problem, just coming in from different angles.
You see cross-fertilization across different areas. It brings new ideas.
There's been good interaction, good discussion, and we're seeing some of the critical issues being discussed. We're seeing some of the solutions potentially being defined.
There are a lot of different questions facing the field today, and this involves a lot of different areas. So it's important for different biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies to come together to address it.
It's still a very young field, and that's I'd say an asymmetrically kind of important area not to lose focus on.
The community of investigators and companies that are working in NASH has grown dramatically over the last 3 to 5 years. This is exemplified by the number of presentations that are here at this meeting. This is a chance for everybody to come together and summarize that information.
We should have a much better view, I think, on the role of some of the non-invasive technologies.
The most interesting part of the conference so far is to see how different companies approach particular problems in clinical development.
I'm really looking forward to learning a lot of new things about where the field is progressing, and these are aspects relating to the diagnosis of the disease and some kind of consensus around what really constitutes NASH.
With clinical data starting to come out more frequently and the clinical data becoming more complicated, there are less and less opportunities to talk specifically about drug development and drug discovery in NASH. From my view, if 150 people leave here, go out and talk to their companies, their colleagues, their peers, talk about what they've learned here and make course corrections, then that kind of amplification effect begins to move the field.